In this report, I'll answer the question, what's the best online business for retirees? My name is Dan. I'm an American. I'm 65 years old. I didn't want to work for anyone else anymore, so I needed to find an online business that would pay for my life. This is about 10 years ago. That business made me over $90,000 last year, and it's made me quite a bit before then. I'm going to show you online screenshots of how much that business made me last year. But first I want to explain why I wanted an online business. I left the United States in 2007. I've traveled all over the world for the last 19 years, 78 countries. I'll show you a video of myself traveling the world with my girlfriend Chung as I explain. For the first 3 years, I had a job when I left the United States. I loved that job at first, but after a few years, I started to get bored. I wanted something more. I read a book called The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss, and I wanted a life like that. That book taught me that I could start an online business and travel all over the world and have the income stream follow me all over the world wherever I went. That book opened my eyes. I didn't want to wait till I was retirement age to retire. By the time I had read that book, I already knew I could live on less money all over the world. So I just needed a business that could pay for my cost of living as I traveled the world. So I started researching to find the perfect online business. The first 3 online businesses I tried, I failed at 2, and I quit one because it would have stopped me from traveling the world, which is what I love most. I didn't want a complicated business to start when I was getting near retirement years, or one that required a lot of investment. I wanted a simple life. So one day I was reading about a new kind of business, and I thought, this business might be right for me. So I kept reading about it and what some of the benefits were, and I'll share those benefits with you first, and then I'll share the business with you. We'll go under the hood. Number 1, there's no inventory. You don't have to import anything from China and ship it to Amazon in the US. You don't need a shipping and receiving department, no returns, no repairs, no replacement of physical products. Number 2, no delivery costs, no delivery management, no packaging, shipping. When a customer buys, they just watch, download, or read your information. Number 3, no advertising costs. It's purely organic. You just post web pages and videos, and people discover you organically online. If you get enough views on YouTube, YouTube will even start paying you every month. Number 4, no employees, no hiring, no training, no salary, no payroll, no providing office space, no turnover of employees. You're the only employee in the business. Number 5, no office expenses, no rent, no electricity, no AC, no copiers, no phones, nothing. There's no office. Number 6, you just work when you want to. You create content, put it online whenever you want to, and interact with your customers. You need to answer your customers' inquiries within 24 hours, but that's pretty easy. Number 7, low to no startup costs. You can get in the business started with almost no money. You just start posting videos on YouTube in your business information niche. Once you have enough views where YouTube is paying you for posting videos, now you have a proof of concept, a proof of niche. You can start investing in some of the money that you're making from YouTube and the third-party software you'll need to start out the second part of the business, where you'll make 2/3 of the revenue, and I'll show you that. Number 8, there's no geographical boundaries. You just roam the world as you please. You don't need to show up at any certain time or any place. And number 9, you get to share your favorite hobby. The information business can be about anything you want, but in the hobby income course, we recommend that you share your favorite hobby. Why? Because you already love your hobby. You'll be sharing something you're really enjoying, something you're excited about. But you could pick any subject that you've learned about in your life that you know more about than most people. Number 10, no expensive courses. New or existing paid members of our business information get the hobby income course included in their membership. I've included access to the course as a bonus at no extra expense. More on that in a moment. Okay, it's time to take you under the hood of my hobby business. I'm going to show you how it makes money, how much money it makes, but first, I know what you're thinking. Dan, not everyone can be in the retire cheap in paradise overseas information business. And at the end, I'll show you why it's probably smarter not to go in that business. And you're absolutely right. That's why in the course, we teach you how to use your favorite hobby. And second, after I teach you about my hobby business, I'll provide you with a video that talks about 5 other businesses just as examples that are hobbies that you could start on your own. And the hobby income course starts by helping you pick your favorite hobby or one of your favorite hobbies. Okay, it's time to go under the hood. Okay, we're under the hood. This is Vagabond Awake YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have 213,000 subscribers. So I have 1,200 videos, and you can go watch them. Anyway, this is under hood of my business. These are the videos I make. I'll just point out a very helpful resource for you quickly. If you click playlists here, you can see that all of the countries that we have in our reports are here. And some of these have as much as 100 videos in them. So if you're trying to research where to retire overseas, best countries and what it takes to retire and all that, that's a great resource for you. Now, YouTube pays me when I put up videos. In order to qualify for payment from YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 hours in a year. And that changes, of course. That can change, of course, but that's it right now. As you can see, YouTube, since I started my channel from September 16th till 2 days ago, January 14th, YouTube has paid me $186,069.85. As I said, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in a year, and then you're what they call monetized. What YouTube does is you'll see these commercials when you watch a video. YouTube charges people to be on their videos, and then they pay a part of that to the creator, and that's where the money comes from. And that's also generates the customers who are interested in my business. And this is Vagabond Buddha. This is my webpage. And so on my videos, you'll often hear me say, grab a free ebook, jump on my email list and this sort of stuff. If you come over to Vagabond Buddha, click here, free ebook, you're on my email list, and I email you and tell you what's going on in the world of overseas retirement. And then also, I invite you to join my membership. And my membership it's a retire overseas, Asia, Europe, Latin America, escape planning. These are all the things you need to learn, things that I learn and other expats have learned, trying to plan and move overseas. And then courses. There's 2 courses. I'll talk more about that. But over here you have price and benefits to joining as a member, and then you register here. And then if you want to check out your status as a member, you come here. The courses I mentioned is the Retire Overseas course and the Hobby Income course. And this video is about the Hobby Income course. It's a 2025 update. I do an update once a year so you know what's going on with the business. And then over here under more, you have how to contact us, how and why we started, subscribe, and my take on Buddhism. And then so that's it. And then if you're interested in joining us to the Retire Overseas system, you just click this membership details here and go find out about it. There's a video about it, or click price and benefits here. That'll take you to the same place. So when people join as a membership, what kind of money does that make? That's the next question. So I'll have more about dates and per year and that kind of stuff in a minute, but I just want to show you the gross amount I've been paid. As you can see, I've made $315,408.30 since I started my channel up here. Oh, here we go, May of 2018. And so that's cumulative what I've made. Let's go over and see how slowly this grows. This is not a get-rich-quick business. This is a be happy in online business, in retirement business. So as I mentioned, YouTube paid me $186,069. Memberships have been $315,408.30. If you add those two together, it's $501,478.15. But this is rare. Most people, when they start a YouTube channel or monetize it, which is what memberships are, they usually just quit before they ever make a nickel. So most people don't have the same sort of, they're not willing to keep fighting. But I've been self-employed most of my life, and I just do what it takes. Some people do. Some people just run out of gas. So this is not what you're going to make necessarily, but this is what I did. And there's many people on both YouTube and who have web pages that are making quite a bit of money. It's just not everyone can. So it's slow growing. As I said, I started in September 8th, 2016, but no revenue until February of 2019. So it was 2.5 years without revenue. But I will point out that I only did 36 videos in that the first year and a half. And so it wasn't really until 2019 where I really was underway going with it. So let's look what happened in 2019. I made $980 on YouTube and $2,183 in memberships. And you can see here $980 from YouTube. It's screen capture. This is all available when you have a YouTube channel. And here in the memberships, maybe you can see it. It's kind of small, but it's the $2,183. And then in 2020, I'm trying to show you how slow this grows. In 2020, I made $12,656 on YouTube and $25,000 in memberships for a total of $38,000. And then in 2021, $26,000 on YouTube, $39,000 in memberships. That's $66,000 and change. And that's for that year. And you can see the two screen captures for that. And then in 2022, 25,000, almost 26 on YouTube, and 41,000 in memberships for a total of 66,000, and is what the business made. And then 2023, 31,000 YouTube, 75,000 in memberships, a total of 106,000. 2024, 39,000 on YouTube, 61,000 in memberships. And 2025, 34,000 on YouTube and 57, almost 58,000 on memberships for a total of about 92,000. Let's look here at the hobby income course. So this is the hobby income course we're talking about. In the hobby income course, I talk about, as I mentioned, I made about 90,000 in 2025. You can come over and watch this video. But there's I think 9 lessons here. Yeah, 9 lessons. I talk about the business model if you want to do it, how to pick your hobby. I talk about how to do that. You can do whatever you want for your hobby. There's no limitations on that. But generally, I recommend doing something that you really enjoy learning more about and studying and teaching other people about. And your hobby is often a good thing for that. But I would recommend staying away from some of the more popular niches. Like this is a kind of a tough niche to get into, is a travel niche. But there's a lot of niches out there. If you make a list, well, I go over this in the course, but if you make a list of your favorite things in life you enjoy, and then search and find out where there's enough activity online, that's basically how you pick your niche. And then you start telling your story about your life and how it relates to the information you're sharing, like sort of like I do on my videos, like this video right here. You start telling your story, and then you give away a free book. I talked about the free giveaway. That's how you get a list of people, and then you start emailing them and telling them about new videos and new courses and reports that you've put up in your niche. And then talk about how to create ebooks out of your content, how to set up a membership enrollment and a payment gateway so you can collect memberships, and then how to create a catalog of your ebooks or courses or whatever, how to do all that's in there. And these are over-the-shoulder videos that show you how I did this web page, or you could do the same thing if you want to. And then your video sales letter, that's the videos I share with you. Like if you go to the memberships and watch the price of benefits, that's called a video sales letter. It tells you all the benefits of owning. So how to set that up, I show you how to do that. And then interview and collaborate with, interact with your audience, how to optimize YouTube and WordPress. It's all in the course. This is a self-contained course. And it's all there, all nine of them are. So if you're interested in joining, you just come to Vagabond Buddha. We have the Retire Overseas course, as I said, and the Hobby Income course. And if you just come over to memberships here and click on price and benefits, or click this membership, you'll find out all of the benefits of retiring, all the resources we have available to help you retire overseas. 19 years of this, doing this. I actually know quite a bit, and I've talked to a lot of expats and interviewed them. So there's really a lot of content there. There's 300 reports. There's 12, as I mentioned, there's 1,200 videos. And there's reports about each city that are, favorite cities around the world. I think there's 40 countries we cover now. And then also, like, what do you do? It's the first thing you do, which is what the Retire Overseas course is about. Or you can just watch the video right here now, and that will tell you all about the course and the benefits. Thanks for watching.